everybody, CW here. Time for another Trigger Thursday. Trigger Pull Thursday. I pulled another not so common Ruger out of the holster, out of the safe rather. This is I believe it was Lipsy's permissioned these. 327 single 7. 327 Federal Magnum, 4.5 inch barrel or 4 inch barrel, I believe. Bird's head grip. Really nice pistols. New action, new model. So they're not quite as nice triggers as the old models. There's a little more going on in there with the transfer bar. So there's a little more for the trigger to do. But I don't think it's too bad. Let's measure it up and see what we get. As always, we'll start with the wheeler. Of course it's empty. I shouldn't have to show you guys, but let's keep the YouTube auditors happy. It's empty. There's no ammo out here. Put it on here. And again, like we've been talking about, you just stick it in the middle, you're going to get one measurement. You stick it up high, you're going to get a heavier measurement. And if you can get it way down on the bottom, you're going to get the lightest. That's the hardest to make it stay. So let's just go, about there. And let's see. A little over 2 pounds, 2.5 pounds. I thought it was pretty light. Try it again. Got a good hole in the gun. Two and a half. 2 3/4 that time. Again, it's going to change because of the position that the hook is here on the trigger and the angle of the dangle that you pull from. You can get it to stay right there, which we're going to try to. We ought to get a lighter pull. See? Just a little bit, but lighter just the same. All right, let's try it digital. We got this no-name Amazon trigger pull gauge, and it does have a little bit stickier rubber foot on it, so it does make it a little bit easier to have it stay stuck, stay put when you pull it. So let's see if you can read this without glare. That one come in at 1.70 pounds. 1 pound 7 ounces. Try it again, and we're going to try and get it to grip right about there, which is where your finger, or my finger, would be if I was shooting it. Uh, 1.3 pounds. And one last time, and again, same thing, where I try and get it to stick right about there. Whoops. I get it back in the same spot. Wow. Let's do it again, because that's really light, and I know it's not true. I know it's not true. Let's hold the gun better. Get this to try and be right there, so we're consistent, and we'll pull. Wow. That ain't good, huh? Something's happened. Oh, I know what happened. Haha, just before It just goes to show you. Just before I started the video, I noticed there was just a touch of corrosion. It wasn't really rust, but it was something on the firing pin there. So I gave a squirt of oil. And I think that oil migrated right down and got on the sear. Because it's definitely lighter. Well, anyway, there we go. I'll have to look at that, because I shouldn't do that even with spraying oil directly on it. But there we go. There's our Trigger Pull Thursday. A very nice Ruger Bird's Head, stainless steel, fixed sight, 327 Federal Magnum with aftermarket grips. They don't fit really well, but they look good. God bless everybody. CW out.